IIT Jodhpur is ready to lead the way with every stride reflecting our commitment to innovation, progress and excellence. On this Republic Day, let us take this opportunity to rededicate ourselves to the ideals of our Republic, to the betterment of our institute and to the upliftment of our nation. Together, let us raise the tricolor higher and higher and let it shine brighter and brighter. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am so happy to be at IIT Jodhpur. This is my favorite IIT and a favorite place that I've been visiting here for last 3 years. And every time I get such good vibes and learn something new. Interactions have been very fruitful. Jodhpur has a special potential in science and technology because it is from a special region of the country, the desert ecosystem. So there is a whole lot of science and technology which is needed for desert ecosystem. For example, the aspects of sustainability are different here than elsewhere in the country. The renewable energy like solar and wind are so plentiful. And indeed, Rajasthan is #1 in solar energy, but there's a whole lot of it is imported. So there is great potential for developing our own technology, our own photovoltaic cells and materials. And I'm sure the IIT Jodhpur is taking a great lead in everything related to renewable energy, ecology, sustainability. In fact, we are going to have an international conference on entrepreneurship and sustainability in IIT Jodhpur in late March. So the whole point is that of course we need entrepreneurship, we need to convert our knowledge into new socio-economic opportunities, but we must do it with sustainability angle in it. So this conference, and there is a department, there is a Center for Sustainability here. They are doing great work. I've also had the good opportunity to visit other centers and departments. One of them is related to cyber physical systems. Great work happening related to AR, VR, the augmented reality, virtual reality and so on. See, Rajasthan is very big on 3 sectors: cultural, heritage, history, tourism. So can we bring in greater science and technology in these sectors? And the work which is happening at IIT Jodhpur can directly relate to these sectors. Because we don't expect somebody else to work for us. We have to develop all of this on our own. If we look at what is the strength of Rajasthan, what is its economy is based on, these sectors become very important. So I'm so glad that IIT Jodhpur actually is taking a special initiative in working on these sectors. This is of course a top class institution. It's got the right infrastructure, it's got human resources. So many top faculty members are joining here. The students graduating from here are doing great. So everything looks perfect. I think the future of IIT Jodhpur is great. It's connecting better now with the outside world. A whole lot of what the world thinks about us, it depends on the perception of the world about us. So I'm glad to see that the social media is being leveraged. I'm glad to see that all kind of media, there's a good projection about IIT Jodhpur. And I think more of this can happen because it truly needs to be recognized for its talent, for its infrastructure, for all the activities which are happening here, which actually put IIT Jodhpur ahead of I would say most of the new IITs, and it's got great potential, and I wish it all the very, very best going forward in the future. I haven't any doubt that this is going to be the place for doing great science, engineering, technology, product development, startups, what have you. Thank you very much.
I would like to congratulate Professor Ashutosh Sharma for very well-deserved recognition of being awarded Padma Shri by Government of India. Dr. Ashutosh Sharma is a scholar in residence at IIT Jodhpur. He is former DST secretary and he is president of INSA and chair professor at IIT Kanpur. He has been my mentor for a long time. He has been a role model for last 25 years for me personally. He is one of the best scientists this country has produced, and his vision for Jodhpur, IIT Jodhpur, is something that we will try to realize, and we will try to basically take IIT Jodhpur to the heights as envisioned by him as well as by all of us. Thank you.